Here we have now the starter set, which I want to show you, and we will have a look inside the box. It's a cooperation between the company Persch, that is an old diamond produce company here in Idar-Oberstein, and with my brand. Together we get the idea to make a kind of starter set for artists and carvers worldwide. The reason is often it's hard for foreign artists to get these tools in countries where they live. Most of the very good tools which we use here in Idar-Oberstein get also produced here in Idar-Oberstein. The reason is that diamond tool producers are settled down here. They have the long years experience working with our industry, working with gemstones. We decide to make the starter set that people can try, that they have a start collection and can try to work with gemstones. So let's have a look inside. Most of the tools are sintered tools. That means the diamond and the metal is mixed. That is the advantage about these tools is they work faster as the galvanic tools, and they keep much longer till they are really gone. Some of my tools I have, they are now more than 30 years old, and I use them almost daily. So let's go to the starter set. So the first, it's called the collet. The collet is a tool where you can mount all dentist tools to the normal spindle which we work. The second, we have a cylinder. Cylinder is often used to make flat surfaces, to take a lot of material away. All the diamond tools are in a grit with German D126, so this is a medium grit for most of the work, and most of the different gemstones they work very well. We have it always in a big size and a smaller size. We have also a cone. A cone is to use if you want to work kind of steps in gemstones. Very useful to make separate heights of carvings. The tools I like most is the sphere. The sphere is the tools, I always say is a multi-tool, because you can work in all kind of direction with the tools. I use the spheres mostly if I need to work, make work throughs between, for example, the base and the legs. If I need to give the carving a nice smooth forming, pre-forming, which I have not straight lines from a tool with fixed corners. We have the same here, that is called a cutting wheel. Cutting wheel, what the name says, you can use it for cut two pieces to separate, or you can use it to move fast a lot of material away from carving. But careful, often it happens that you carve too fast away. Then we have the normal classical wheel. The classical wheel is really one tool which we use for preforming, getting the carving out of the gemstones, to take a lot of material away and to give them the rough form. The last tool is a polishing tool. It's a kind of pre-polishing tool. So when you're finished with carvings and you need to make the carving nice, smooth, before you start polishing it, you can use this tool. It's a kind of a rubber tool with a diamond inside, and it's also a little bit flexible when you push it, so it follows nice the form of a gem carving. This are in a short term the collection. I will later show them when I use them, and I think it's more understandable when you see them in action.